there, Champ Barbecuers. Today we're doing up a chuck roast. Yes, in the vertical pit boss. Yeah. So we're gonna smoke that at 225 until we hit the stall. Then we're gonna wrap it. We're gonna put in some shire sauce and some butter. Wrap it up tight. Put it back in until we hit about 201. We're gonna do up jalapeno poppers in the pit boss and stuffed mushrooms in the pit boss. Cheers, folks. Oh, I'm gonna have to shut that fan off. Really don't have that much smoke because I'm cooking at 300 now with mushrooms and poppers in there, which are ready to come off. We're gonna shut that right off. Chuck roast is resting right now. I love this thing. Smells delicious. And when I had to leave earlier at 225, this thing bellows smoke. But it fluctuates temperature. So if you're cooking at 225, at least mine, it'll fly up to 275, which doesn't smoke much at all. And then it kicks back down to 225, 215, 210. And you're kicking smoke hardcore. I had the fan on, trying to blow as much out of here. I left the door open for a while, but when I left it, closed the door, I was worried about the fire department coming. We had to go see Santa with the kids. So, no fire department, and we're back and we're ready to get everything put together, plated up, and we're going to be eating good. We had a big storm come through, rain only though. Upstate New York, rain in December, kind of weird. Lots of rain though. And I had to put the chuck roast on, leave for an hour and a half or so, came back, perfect timing, it was right about to stall. I was so worried. This thing is rocking. Vertical Pit Boss. Damn. Digging it. Blackstone. Loving it. Weber. I feel sorry I haven't used you in a while, but we'll get back to you. Trust me. You're always number one in my heart. It's been raining like a bastard all day, but it's time to dig in. First a sip. Ooh, the chuck roast. Look at the smoke ring on that son of a gun. Juicy. Oh, chuck roast on the Pit Boss. Oh, hell yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, grease all over. Low and slow chuck roast. Always good stuff. Get it to 201. However way you want to do it. Man. I let mine rest a little too long because I was cooking so much stuff. But still, I mean, there's still moisture beyond. But could have been better if I didn't dick around. But dicking around led to these stuffed mushroom gimmicks. All that on that Pit Boss, boy. Let's check one of these potatoes. Onions. Oh, she's hot. Ooh, I dropped a little bit of a mushroom. Damn it. Could have went a little bit longer on that potato. Yeah. Hey, flavor's good. This looks amazing. That jalapeno popper, oh yeah. I'm gonna have to do some more cleanup. Man, it's good. All that is good. Busy cook. All around awesome. Extremely good. Wow. I'm gonna go in the house, eat up with everybody. Man. Next time in stuffed mushrooms, I think I'm gonna roast up some onions. And then when they get charred up, you know, like, that's a mushroom. Get charred up like that. Put them inside. Cover them with cheese so they don't cook much more at all. They won't. Oh, the flavor of onions on that Blackstone with some butter and olive oil, a little bit of salt and pepper. Oh, hell yeah. The chuck roast was really good too. Let me tell you what. Chuck roast, cooked low and slow, always really good stuff. And I'm loving this Pit Boss. But under 250. I'm glad I left earlier. It's so smoky, but makes the food really, really damn good. Here, check this out. This is what I'm gonna do. Put some of them onions in the stuffed mushroom. Oh yeah. Woo! Good grub. Comment down below. Subscribe if it's your first time here. You know the deal. Hit that bell. Jingle that son of a gun. And I will catch you on the next cook. This was fun. And I was so worried about this guy leaving for a couple hours almost. Whew. My nerves were right there. But anyway, the kids got to go see Santa. And we all get to eat good grub. And I'm going in with them right now. Peace.